Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to disable VS Code automatic updates. So sometimes automatic updates in VS Code can create problems in certain things not working. So in this video I will show you how to disable it or manually update VS Code when required. So when you open VS Code, right here you will see this settings option. This is your manage option. Simply click it and here you will see this option of settings. Simply go to this option, and after going to this you will actually see inside this section of application right here. If you see, this is actually the section here. Inside your application section you will see this update section. You need to simply click this option right here, update, and simply click it. And by default, if you see, it will be set to this manual option or default option. So if this set to default, manual, or start, you just need to disable it by selecting none right here. So as soon as you do the none part, the automatic updates will be disabled, and after that it will tell you to a setting has been changed that requires a restart to take effect. So just click the restart button to restart the VS Code. So I will just click the button restart, and in this easy way your auto updates have been disabled. And now every time if you want to update your VS Code, what you will do, you go to the right inside the section, inside help section, and if you see there will be this about section. You simply go to this, and here it will tell you the exact version number which you are using in VS Code. So exactly you will see which version you have inside your VS Code, so you can see the information. Simply copy this everything, and now every time you want to update, again you need to go to this settings option right here, and again go to the application, and right here you will see this update option. Simply click, and now you need to simply select the start option. So this will start the update process. If a new version is available, then it can, if you click start, and then again you just need to restart this. So if a new version is available, then it will automatically update your VS Code. So in this easy way, this is by which you can disable the auto update or manually update VS Code. Again, if you want to disable it, simply there is also this option, disable updates. So if you select this none option, your updates will be disabled. So in this easy way, again whenever you change this option, again you need to restart VS Code every time. And there is again a second option you can do by using some kind of a code here. So I have just given this Reddit post right here in the description of this video. You can follow this post here where someone has given this code right here. So this you just need to paste it inside your user settings file. So you can actually open this user settings file, preferences. So it's a JSON file which controls the behavior of your VS Code. You just need to paste these two properties. If you don't want to change previously what I showed you, you can paste these two options, which is update. Again a setting has been changed, again you need to restart this. So what this setting is doing, if you see, we actually have this update setting, update.mode. So there is a certain mode right here inside. So we have set this mode to manual. So if you want to disable it, you just need to change this to none. And again this option, you just need to restart this. So this also you can do, open your preferences settings.json file, just paste these two properties, update mode to none, or update enable Windows background updates. So if you want to disable it, this is the option, enable Windows background updates. So this I set to false here. If you set it to true, again then the auto update will be enabled. So here true, and this you need to change it to either manual. So this will again enable your auto updates feature. So these are the two ways by which you can, either the first way is the manual way by which you can go to the settings option directly, and this is a second way. So you can choose whichever way that you want to do. I found this way very easy, going to the update section, just selecting manually, If you want to disable it, you select the none option. By default, it's set to manual. Or if you want to enable auto update, you can select the start option. So this will check for updates only on startup. Disable automatic background updates check. So I basically personally put this option to manual because I don't want auto updates on. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.